Ha! This fridge come with a built-in shield. You know, to protect your precious milk from any Hydra agents lurking in the kitchen? Does that fridge have a mystical enchantment to keep the snacks fresh for eternity? It would save us trips to the grocery store. Ha! I see Joker's fridge is as colorful and unpredictable as Joker. Does your fridge have a special compartment for insect-sized snacks? Ha ha! I hope this fridge shines as brightly as Green Lantern's power ring. Watch other episodes on my channel. Ha! In this kitchen, there is not only a Superman fridge, but also a Superman garbage can. Do you see this? Wow. I hope this fridge has Mjolnir's stamp of approval. I hope this fridge has a Batmobile-like speed dial to summon snacks whenever Gotham's hunger strikes. Hey, Tony, does your fridge have a built-in holographic shield display? Gotta protect our sandwiches from evil. Ha! I trust this fridge is equipped with state-of-the-art surveillance technology to monitor any unauthorized snack consumption. Loki, I hope your fridge isn't filled with more mischief than actual food. We wouldn't want any culinary chaos in Asgard. Haha, I don't know who wants to eat more. Me or Green Goblin's fridge? I think it looks like a very, very, very big fridge magnet. Aquaman, I hope this fridge is waterproof. You never know when an underwater villain might decide to raid it for some fishy snacks. Do you like Star-Lord's fridge? Haha! It looks like the Visions are guarding the food. Wow! It looks very stylish and cool. I would like to have such a home. Oh my! This fridge looks aggressive. I wish Gamora's fridge is filled with snacks that perfectly balance the universe. Hawkeye's fridge looks good. Do you like it? Wow! Now I'm thinking about printing this picture on my fridge. I like it. With such a fridge, it will be easy to find food at night. Is it just me, or is it too hot for the fridge? Wow. I didn't even think a refrigerator could look like this. If I had such a fridge at home, my mom would be shocked. Ha ha! Wow! This retro-style rocket fridge looks cute. Ha ha! Blade fridge looks like it has a lot of summer drinks. Like Vision, Daredevil also guards food from strangers. Wow, Nick Fury's fridge looks like it's been in the same battle. Ha ha! Sometimes potatoes sprout in my refrigerator in the same way is very similar. I think fridge has a section for martial arts themed snacks. Snacks that pack a powerful punch. Ha ha! Snacks from Punisher's fridge strikes fear into the hearts of hunger. Wow. I have no idea why Scarlet Witch is inside this fridge, but it looks amazing. Hey, Wasp. Does your fridge have a fashionably sleek design to match your superhero outfit? Oh no! I don't think I'm going to touch this refrigerator. I think this fridge looks cool. Would you like one like this? Haha! The Quicksilver fridge looks super weird. I hope Cyclops' fridge has a special compartment to keep snacks cool even when he optic blasts heat things up. Many people say that green is calming, but the Hulk fridge does not look calm and quiet. Does Sub-Zero fridge have a chilling power that keeps snacks icy cold even in the hottest environments? Ha ha! I think this fridge converts magnetic energy into culinary delights. To be honest, I really doubt that you can find sweets in this refrigerator. Wow! Electra fridge looks great. I think that such a huge refrigerator will fit a lot of food. Bucky Barnes' fridge looks patriotic. Wow, I don't even know what to say. With such a refrigerator, you definitely won't eat too much. Maybe this fridge has a secret compartment for storing gag snacks and prank devices. I didn't even expect this fridge to be so small. Wow, I think this is a beautiful result.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.